Goddess hair, what in the world is that? It is a mask treatment that you guys are absolutely gonna love, especially when we see SheRea give it a shot on her curly, gorgeous type 4 hair. I love them coilies. And I love watching how she cares for her hair because she really knows her hair well. And this Goddess hair mask works so amazing for her. So today we're gonna get into that process. We're gonna get into see how she used it and all those steps and all those tricks to get it to work exactly for you, giving you the results that you deserve. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm the CEO founder of this amazing brand. I specialize in henna hair dye and Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and you'll see some really beautiful henna body art. And this is the Goddess hair. I absolutely love this mask. It is packed with 6 Ayurvedic herbs. I specifically was like, how are we gonna reach some of these hair goals? Well, it's being like, really balancing, moisturizing, and just a really good all around mask that you don't have to like figure out like, what are the measurements and how much do I need of this? Because, actually, honestly, some of those measurements have to be a certain amount of the recipes you're doing to get you the results you want. If you're not putting in, let's say, enough moisture, it's going to be drying, it's just so many little factors that sometimes it's easy just to go and use an all-in-one like the Goddess hair. It's one of my favorites. One of SheRea DelSol's favorites as well. And this Ayurvedic hair mask right here, it's all-in-one, ready to use. All you gotta do is add your liquid. And if your hair is very, very dry, you definitely want to follow also SheRea's inside tips on what she did specifically to make sure it was even more balancing with that moisture. Is that this herbs that we find in here, those 6 herbs are cassia, which is very, very good for cleansing your hair naturally. It also has amla, which amla promotes the hair growth that you are looking for. And hibiscus adds a lot of shine. It's also very moisturizing and gentle and restorative on hair strands. And then you got that fenugreek for that rich moisture that gives that hair just more fullness. Fenugreek is such a versatile herb. It's just packed with goodness for your hair. Especially love it in the Goddess hair. Then we got that rose petal powder, which that rose petal powder is very balancing in your hair, and it smells amazing. It smells really, really good. And then last but not least, your aloe vera powder. And your aloe vera powder, more moisture, more hair growth. And our aloe vera powder, which we get this question a lot, is the whole leaf. So it's dehydrated, it's very potent, it's very rich, it does its job, okay? It definitely does its job. Especially for when it comes to Ayurvedic hair care, that aloe is gonna be essential. And if you are allergic, just know you can watch the other videos in my channel that have other alternatives for you. And SheRea has type 4 hair, coily, gorgeous hair, full, rich. I love her hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you have a similar hair type, you're gonna see exactly how the Goddess hair can work for you. So let's follow along. Let's get into it. Let's see what she did. Let's get it started.
Today we'll be using Goddess Hair by Hennasooq. It's perfect for beginners and it's perfect for those of us who have been doing DIYs for a long time. What I love about Hennasooq is the high quality of the ingredients, of the powders. They're so smooth, they're so finely sifted, they're so amazing. Now this is optional, but if you've been on my channel, I love adding honey to my mask. Instead of using regular honey, I'm using the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher by Hennasooq as well. It is also rich in Ayurvedic ingredients. It has honey in it, it has cassia, it smells wonderful, it smells like lemongrass. Definitely recommend you check it out. And I'm going in with 2 teaspoons. For my liquid of choice, I am going in with coconut milk, which you can use aloe vera juice, you can use water, you can use a herbal tea. It's really up to you. I like using coconut milk because it really softens and moisturizes my hair. It conditions my hair. It makes my hair feel amazing. So I do like using this liquid. But again, use what you wish. I did end up using about 2 cups of coconut milk. This is what the consistency is looking like, and you can honestly just stay right here. It's perfect just the way it is with these few ingredients. But because I have a lot of hair and I use a lot of products, I am heavy-handed. I did need just a little bit more, so I did go in with some conditioner. I am using my DIY leave-in conditioner, but you can use a store-bought conditioner. You can use a store-bought deep conditioner. It's really up to you. After I mix all the ingredients, this is the consistency that I am working with. You want your consistency to be not too thick, not too runny. You want it to be like a pancake batter type consistency. Enough long talking. Let's get to applying this awesome mask. Alright guys, let's apply it. This is what my hair is looking like. It's day 5. It's not dry or anything, but I just feel like washing my hair, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're just starting in the back per usual, and all I'm doing is just pulling at my hair to get out any shedded hair. You don't want it to get caught up in the hair. It can cause tangling and it can cause breakage as well. This also helps to warm my hair up. Because I'm low porosity, this just allows my cuticles to open up to absorb and accept the moisture. So I like doing this as well. So this is what we're looking like right here. I use a lot. I'm not sure I'm gonna use all of it, but I like making a lot because I use a lot. So this is what we're looking like. Nice pancake consistency. Ooh. Ooh. This feels really good. And I'm applying this on dry hair because I'm using it as a pre-poo, but you can use it as a deep conditioner step. But I love pre-pooing. I live for pre-pooing, so I'm using it as a pre-poo. And this feels so freaking good. It's so softening. Wow. So I'm done applying the treatment. This is what it's looking like. I love using hibiscus because I just love seeing me with red hair. I miss my red hair sometimes. But anyway, this is what we're looking like. Nice and defined and shiny. Usually I would keep this on overnight, but I'm switching up my wash day today. So all I'm going to do is go under my soft bonded dryer. I'm going to go under that for 30 minutes, get the nice heat and all that stuff, get the powders and the minerals and all that stuff into my hair. So let me just braid my hair up, go under the dryer, and move on to the next step. See you in the shower. So I lied. I ended up sitting under the soft bonded dryer for 45 minutes. I wanted to treat my hair and do something a little bit extra. So I did sit under the dryer for a little bit longer than I had anticipated. But you know, life be lifing, so it is what it is. Now I'm in the shower and it's time to rinse out this treatment. I take my hair down slowly. I don't rush it. I always take my time when I'm washing my hair. When your hair is wet, it is the most fragile. So you want to do your best to take your time, have some patience, and have some fun. Come on, length. Come on, growth. Come on, inches. Yes. And you can see how shiny my hair looks. You can see how moisturized and juicy my hair looks. When I say this is one of the most moisturizing Ayurvedic treatments I have ever used, this is one of the most moisturizing, conditioning, softening Ayurvedic treatments I have ever used. When I say this is a game changer, I use that word a lot, but with the Hennasooq goddess hair and the other ingredients that I put into this mask, my hair just felt so good. It really preps my hair for an amazing wash day. Y'all know how important pre-pooing is. I talk about it all the time. If you try nothing else from Hennasooq, you need to try goddess hair. Y'all, I have the hair of a goddess. I want that for me and I want that for you too. So definitely check it out. Everything will be linked down below. Well, I'm out, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was fun. I hope you learned something and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.
So what do you think of, the whole experience that SheRea had and what you saw and how she used it? What are your thoughts? And also, what is your favorite way to use the goddess hair? Or do you think after watching this, you're gonna give the goddess hair a try? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear. So I wanna thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that bell because you do not want to miss all the good that we have up and coming. More behind the scenes, especially with the new location, the rebranding, all the design of the new website. It's coming really soon, like within the next 30 days. Oh, you guys are gonna see such big transitions, so you don't want to miss any of that. So stay tuned, and I really hope that you'll come visit us when we're opening our doors in Columbia, Maryland in October.